Hola, ¿cómo están? Mi nombre es Juan Pablo Robles. Como siempre, es un gusto estar con ustedes en gestión, en Juegos Maniáticos, en JP Juegos. Y hoy estamos desarrollando lo que yo denomino nuestro primer podcast de tecnología e innovación. Lo cual es interesante porque siempre tratamos de buscar una nueva manera de comunicarnos, así que llegaremos a hacer el podcast de un tema que me ha llamado mucho la atención, que es la primera hackathon global, un concurso que lo está organizando Belcorp. Y para eso vamos a hablar con su jefe de tecnología, digamos, información digital, que es Venkat Gopalan. Y esa es la razón por la cual vamos a hacer nuestra entrevista en inglés. Hi, Venkat. It's a pleasure to meet you or hear you. Welcome to our first podcast show in Gestión.
Thank you, Juan Pablo. Really appreciate. Thank you for your time and thank you for this opportunity. It's my pleasure.
No, thank you for your time. You know, I have to make my research as an academic professor and a journalist, and I was checking up your resume. And please don't think that I'm a stalker, but it's very outstanding and impressive. You know, can you tell us something about this more than 20 years of experience in this technology world, please?
Yes, I'm the Chief Digital and Technology Officer at Belcorp for the last couple of years. It's been an amazing journey being part of the digital transformation at Belcorp. Prior to Belcorp, I have worked at Estee Lauder companies in New York, Sephora in San Francisco, Walmart Labs also in San Francisco, Nike, AT&T, Target, and also did my own startup for a while as well. So it's been almost 23 plus years of experience in technology and part of several transformation for the Fortune 50 and 100 companies. So it's been a learning experience, I would say, and it's been a pleasure to meet so many different folks across different organizations, different backgrounds and experiences. So it enriches you as a person.
Around the world, that's very standard. That's what I said at the beginning. So, but I have to know you're in Belcorp since 2019, right?
Yep.
How was this pandemic change to use technology in such a job of Belcorp? I mean, we have to make a lot of change.
Okay, that's a great question. So in Belcorp, we always fully believe every crisis is an opportunity. And so when pandemic happened in March 2020, we as a Belcorp organization looked at and saying, where should we take Belcorp given this crisis, but also it presents as a new opportunity. As you may know, that overnight we all started working from home, and then consumer started changing in behavior in terms of moving more online, and the digital adoption and the immediacy and the personalization becomes much more critical. And so for Belcorp, this is a great opportunity for us to invest in technology, starting from consumer experiences, providing digital tools for consultants, make their life easier and better to have much better business with Belcorp, providing the consumer the intimacy and personalization. And this technology kind of touched every aspect of Belcorp business, starting from supply chain, consumer experiences, commercial sales, e-commerce, retail, you name it. Every part of the Belcorp is getting transformed, and technology is playing a great role in terms of enabler.
Yeah, that's right. The first phrase was made. Every crisis is an opportunity. That's right.
Yep, it is.
Yeah, I mean, there's something not to say new in our country, but it's for a person who have this kind of vision that, and then I think it's because they work with technology. I know we have to change before the pandemic. We have to use this new technology to have the new point of view, not only as selling, even in the human beings. So, can you tell us, please, where's this global hackathon that Belcorp making now doing about these days in July, right?
Yep. Okay, so Belcorp is first and foremost is very motivated to transform the digital experience of millions of consumers, and also in most importantly contribute towards the development of technology professionals. We believe very strongly in terms of diversity. The innovation is key. Diversity is key for innovation, and bringing folks from different parts of the globe. not only from Latam, Peru, Colombia, US, Europe. And I think that brings the diversity of experiences, diversity of thoughts and perspectives. With that, I think we will able to create an open innovation ecosystem where we bring ideas to the table. And the most importantly, what the actually theme of the hackathon is about creating the future of digital beauty in the new normal. Given where we are in the post-pandemic era, and so that means the consumers are demanding more, and it's important that we solve through a cross-functional team across the globe. And last, finally, is important. We wanted to create a space for technology professional to show their creativity, innovation, and it was also a forum for them to meet a professional from all across the world, get mentored, and also have contact with other key leaders in technology. And lastly, to celebrate their achievement as such.
I think it's very interesting, and I mean, I look at like a challenge for all the person who work in technology, make this I don't know, work in the beautiful market. I think this mix of mashup is very interesting. So everyone around the world can subscribe in the hackathon, right?
Yes, everybody across the world can participate in the hackathon who is 18 years and above. And then we made the registration very simple. You can go to the hackathon site, Belcorp hackathon site. The registration can be done through, we have extended the deadline till July 12th. And it can be the registration can be done through the website, or it can be done through WhatsApp. So we also provide WhatsApp, which makes it registration like less than 2 minutes.
Okay, so the next question is, I have to work in technology, or maybe I have this excellent idea, but I don't know how to. I don't know how to do it.
Okay, so when you look at any hackathon, it comprises of a cross-functional skills. No, somebody has a business idea, somebody has user experience skill, somebody has marketing skill, and somebody has a coding skill. So you can participate by forming a team with all this cross-functional stuff. If you need help to find other technical professional who can work to bring this idea to the table, Belcor can help with that. As long as you can contact us and saying, I have this idea, but I need somebody to help on a technology perspective to bring this to implementation, we can connect them so that you can form a team.
Oh, okay. So I can subscribe with a team. I have can be 3, 4, 10. Have a limited number, or
we generally encourage people up to 5 because anybody more than 5 will be very difficult to coordinate from a practical standpoint, given the hackathon is going to be 24 hours at that point in time. So anywhere between 3 to 5 would be an ideal team size for a hackathon.
That's good to know. So there's these words that I love to talk about, this disruptive technology solutions. Are those the solution from after the pandemic, or is this the new normal? We're talking about disruptive, technological solutions. That's what we're looking for now.
Yes, I think the pandemic has changed the consumer behavior habit. The pandemic has changed in how we adopt technology, and that means that's why the theme of the hackathon is creating the future of digital beauty in the new normal. Just to give you a little bit of a background, the beauty consumers are much more adopting newer technologies than any other vertical. For example, the augmented reality, where you can do virtual try-on, started way back in 2014. Now that has become much more of a staple stakes in every beauty brand that you can see across the world. And so the beauty consumers are adopting technology at a much faster rate than other verticals. So I think and pandemic has opened up other possibilities of leveraging technologies, and so this is enriching the overall consumer experience across the entire life cycle.
Yeah, I mean, let's go to the basics. My partner tried an app which she can try different colors of makeup with her photo, and she was so surprised. I said, "There's a whole world more of those kind of technology in the beauty field."
Yes, there are several of them. Virtual try-on is one. For example, there are other tools where you can use take a photo of your skin, and then it gives you around recommendation or regime for your skin. How to make your skin much better. There are technologies which you can actually devices you can buy where you can actually create makeups at home. There are technologies like 3D printing where you can actually print a makeup through a 3D printing machine and apply that. So the technology and beauty are like a marriage made in heaven.
Well, you have an advice to this news to my students, maybe in the first place who are learning technology and communications, or for everyone who wants to subscribe in the hackathon, the first hackathon of Belcorp?
Yes. Okay. First and foremost, I want them to be excited about this global hackathon, and I already talked about the theme and what will beneficial for them. Second, forming a group of 3 to 5 people, applying through our website, the bellcorphackathon.com, and through WhatsApp, so that you can get registered. Second, we do have a clear process laid out. We are going to have a pre-hackathon meeting where we will actually describe the challenge in much more detail. We will also going to give an inspiring view of what is possible in technology and beauty. So there is going to be a 20-25 minutes talk around what is art of possible with beauty and technology, so that they get inspired with certain ideas. And I think, and I also would look to research about a little bit about Belcorp and what we are doing, so that they can be much more understanding where we are going. And the fourth one is Google is your best friend, and when you look at all the beauty brands and what they're doing, you can get more inspiration in terms of what's possible. And the second is enjoy the journey through this hackathon, because it's going to be an enriching experience meeting different people. We have keynotes in the hackathon where we have the CEOs of top companies are going to give about some of the future of beauty, future of consumer experience, so they can learn from it as well. So every participant is a winner from that perspective.
I have time then. I have time to subscribe myself in this hackathon.
Okay.
Thank you so much for this. As I said, our first podcast in this journal called Gestión. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your advice, for these important bullets to put in this news to everyone who read it or who actually heard it right now, because it's a podcast.
And thank you for this opportunity. And I once again invite everyone to be part of this hackathon, be part of this movement where we can create an amazing consumer experience and create the future of digital beauty. And it's also an amazing journey, learning experience for everyone, and also connect, especially in this remote first world where we are in right now. So network becomes much more critical. And just a final thought is that Belcorp is always looking for talent, and as we are going through a very aggressive digital transformation, so you can apply for technology jobs through our website also if you're interested. So we're always welcoming new talent to our organization. So I'm quite pretty excited about this, and happy for this opportunity to share some of my thoughts.
Thank you so much. Nos habló de la primera hackathon que está haciendo Belcorp, en el cual nos dio unas recomendaciones muy importantes que pueden ser de 3 a 5 personas, las que pueden inscribirse, que van a conocer a CEOs de diferentes empresas. Pero lo más importante, que siempre resalto a todos los que ahora tengo que decir nos escuchan, es que disfruten esta aventura, ¿no? En el proceso de crear. Y me parece innovador y encantador y necesario el proceso y evolución de las nuevas tecnologías en fusión, como verán la traducción, en el mundo de la belleza. Es una cosa muy particular, llamativa y excelente. Espero que hayan disfrutado de este podcast. Yo soy Juan Pablo Robles. Como siempre, es un gusto estar con ustedes. Cuídense mucho. Gracias.